Hey friends, if you encounter the error unarc.dll returned an error code 11 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. First of all, search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and then go to learn.microsoft.com page. Now scroll down and then find this option here which says x64. Click on the option next to it and click on open. Okay, why am I saying x64? Why not 86? What if you're using a 32-bit computer? See, it's rare to use these ones these days. Now click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. And install the Microsoft C++ redistributable. Some systems may have the repair option so you can repair it. If this does not work, straight away perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.